Hello everyone, this is Nisha. Welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we finished question 1, question 2, question 3 of exercise 5.1. Today we'll be starting with question number 4 of exercise 5.1, that is chapter 5, squares and square roots. Now you can see here that question number 4 says, observe the following pattern and find the missing digits. Now here you can see that square of 11 is equal to 121. Square of 101 is equal to 10,201. So if you check the pattern here, when between these two ones there are no zeros. So here also you will find there are no zeros. But when you find 1 0 between these two 1, you will have to place 1 0 between 1 and 2 and another 0 between 2 and 1. That means अगर इन दोनों नंबर के बीच में एक भी 0 नहीं था तो यहाँ पे इन्होंने कोई 0 नहीं रखा, लेकिन जब ये दो 1 के बीच में एक 0 रखा था तो between 1 and 2 you have to put 1 0, between 2 and 1 1 0. In the same way, when you move ahead in the pattern, it is 1001. So between these two ones यहाँ पे 2 zeros है. So what you will do, between 1 and 2 you will put 2 zeros, and between 2 and 1 again you will put 2 zeros. So we have to answer this question. Okay, so here you can see that between these two ones you have 1 2 3 zeros. So how many zeros will you place here and how many zeros will you place here? We'll place 3 zeros because you are having 3 zeros here. So 1 2 3, 1 2 and 3. In the same way, if you look at this question, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6. You have 6 zeros between these two ones. So your answer would be 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then 1. Okay, so this is what is all about question number 4. Now moving on to question number 5, students. Okay, students, now moving on to question number 5. Question number 5 says, observe the following pattern and supply the missing number. Again, we have to observe the pattern and fill in the missing answers. Here you can see that 11 square is equal to 121. When we move ahead, when it is 101 square, it is 10,201. When we move ahead, when you have two ones, so when you have two ones, here it is 10 and 20 and then reverse 1 again. And when you move here, when you have 1 2 3 ones, that means you will take 10 20 and 30. Again reverse 20 and then 1. Now when you have 1 2 3 4 ones, what you will take here? 10 20 30 40 and again 40 के बाद reverse 30 20 and 1 again. When you have two ones here, it is 10 20 and then close it with ones. Again when you have 1 2 3 ones, so 10 20 30, again go reverse 20 and then close it with ones. Now here how many ones you have? 1 2 3 4. So you will write till 40 and reverse. So it will be 10 20 30 40 and then again go reverse 30 20 30 20 and then 1. Okay, now here you can see it is 10 20 30 40 50, then reverse 40 30 20 and 1. So till 50, it is till 50, 10 20 30 40 50. So how many ones? जहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 1 था तो आपने 40 तक लिया, यहाँ पे 50 तक है तो how many 1 you will take? In this pattern you will take 5 1. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 1 है यहाँ पे तो हमने 50 तक लिया है और then reverse 40 30 20 and 1. So this was again question number 5, very simple. Now moving on to question number 6. Okay, students, now moving on to question number 6 of exercise 5.1. Question 6 says, using the given pattern, find the missing numbers. Now you can see the pattern given here. Based on this pattern, we just check what is the relation and we will solve the question. Now here you can see that 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3 square. In here, we can easily make out that if I write here 1 plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3 square. So now if you look here, the relation, you can see that third number and fourth number are in relation. So you can see that if I subtract 1 from 3, I will get 2. While first two numbers are in relation with the third number. How? Just see. 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. When you multiply these two numbers, you will get the third number. Again, let us check it here. 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square is equal to 7 square. You can easily make out that if you subtract 1 from 7, you will get 6. This is the relationship between these two numbers. Okay, that is number 3 and number 4. When you talk about first three numbers, they are in relationship, like first number multiplied by the second number will give you the third number. 2 3s are 6. Okay. In the same way, here also you can see 3 4s are 12. 2 plus 1 is 13 and 13 minus 1 is 12. So in this whole pattern, you can see that first two numbers are in relation with the third number and fourth number is in relationship with third number. So now let us find out the missing digits, missing numbers. 4 square plus 5 square plus dash square is equal to 21 square. Now as you know, the fourth and third number, they are in relation. So if I subtract 1 from 21, I will get this number. So 21 minus 1 is 20. So I got the answer here 20. If you want, you can cross check also. If these three numbers are in relationship, 4 5s are 20. So you have got the answer. Now moving on to this, let us find the missing number here. 5 square plus dash plus 30 square is equal to 31. Now you know that these three numbers are in relationship. If you multiply second and third number, if you multiply first and second number, you will get the third number. So 5 multiplied by what will give you 30? 5, 6 are 30. So here your answer is 6 square. So here it will be 6. Now moving on to the last one, that is 6 square plus 7 square plus dash square is equal to dash square. So here you can see that if I can easily get this number. 6 multiplied by 7 will give me the third number. 6 7s are 42. So if this is 42 and then this is plus 1 42 plus 1 43. So we have got here also the missing numbers 42 43. Okay, this was very simple, students. So now moving on to next question, question number 7. Okay, students, now moving on to question number 7. Question number 7 says, without adding, find the sum. You can see that they have asked to find the sum. Sum matlab addition of, answer in addition is always called sum. So when we have to add these three numbers and find the answer, but without adding them. There is a very simple method. Now we just count how many numbers are there. 1 2 3 4 5. So total numbers are 5. Is equal to 5. So let's suppose them as n. So sum of the numbers is equal to the numbers is equal to n square, that is 5 square, that is 5 5s are 25. That means if I add all these numbers, the answer would be 25. Now moving on to the next, how many numbers are there? Just count first. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So total numbers are 10, that is n. Sum of the numbers is equal to n square is equal to 10 square is equal to 100. So if I add all these numbers, I will get 100 as the answer. Now moving on to the next one, let us see how many numbers are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So total numbers are 12, that is n is equal to 12. Sum of the numbers is equal to n square is equal to 12 square is equal to 144. In this question, we can make out one thing, that when you add consecutive odd numbers, you are getting squares. Like for example, these are first 5 odd numbers. So when you are adding first 5 odd numbers, you are getting the sum as 25, which is square of 5. Again, when you are adding consecutive first 10 odd numbers, you are getting the answer as 100, which is again a square number. When you are adding consecutive 12 odd numbers, you are getting the answer as 144, which is again a square number. Okay students, now moving on to question number 8. Question number 8 says, first one, express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. The same concept is coming here again. Now you have to express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. So यहाँ पे सम इज इक्वल टू 49, मतलब हम अगर मैं कितने ऑड नंबर्स, n इज इक्वल टू 7, अगर मैं 7 ऑड नंबर्स को ऐड करूं तो मुझे 49 मिले. दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव टू एक्सप्रेस. लेट अस टेक फर्स्ट 7 ऑड नंबर्स, 1 प्लस 3 प्लस 5 प्लस 7 प्लस 9 plus 11. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 more plus 13. So if you add these consecutive odd numbers, you will get the sum as 49, and 49 is again a square number. Now the next one, express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. So again you have sum as 121, n is equal to 11. That means you have to add first 11 odd numbers, and if you add them you will get 121. So let us take first 11 odd numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 more plus 21. So if you add these first 11 odd numbers, you will get the sum as 121. 121 is again square of 11. Okay students, this was all about question number 8. Now moving on to question number 9. Okay students, now moving on to question number 9. Question number 9 says, how many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? Question का मतलब है कि अगर 12 का स्क्वायर निकाले दैट इज 144, और अगर 13 का स्क्वायर निकाले दैट इज 169. 144 से लेकर 169 के बीच में कितने नंबर्स आ रहा है? 144, 145, 146, ऐसे करते करते 169 तक कितने नंबर्स आते हैं? फॉर दैट वी हैव अ वेरी सिंपल मेथड. Let this suppose be n and this suppose n plus 1. So here n is equal to 12. So total numbers between the squares of 12 and 13 are simple is equal to 2n. That is, if you multiply 2 by 12, n is 12 here, so 12 2s are 24. So now here, if you count numbers between 144 and 169, you will get 24 numbers. Now moving on to the next question. Here, let n is equal to 25. 25 and 26. So here n is equal to 25. So total numbers between the squares of 25 and 26 is equal to 2n is equal to 2 into 25 is equal to 50. Okay, now moving on to the last one. Here n is equal to 99. So therefore total numbers between the squares of 99 and 100 is equal to 99 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 nines are 18, 8 1, 2 nines are 18 and 1 19, 198. So I hope students the question is very much clear to you. Okay, so this was all about exercise 5.1. We have finished exercise 5.1. In the next video we'll be taking exercise 5.2. Thank you so much. Bye bye.